Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore spreadsheet speed in Google Sheets shortcuts, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To restore spreadsheet speed in Google Sheets, start by closing unnecessary tabs or applications. Check your internet connection to ensure it is stable and fast. Clear your browser cache to improve performance. Open Google Sheets and select the specific spreadsheet you want to optimize. In the top left corner, click on File. Then, choose Spreadsheet Settings. Under the General tab, ensure that the select Data Cleanup, and then click on Remove Empty Rows to streamline your data. Review your formulas and remove any that are not essential. Consider using array formulas to minimize the number of calculations needed. If you have large datasets, try splitting them into smaller sheets or files. Limit the use of conditional formatting, which can slow down performance. Minimize cell formatting, especially for large ranges. Use keyboard shortcuts for faster navigation and actions. Press Ctrl plus arrow keys to quickly move around your data. To quickly highlight a range, hold Shift while using the arrow keys. Utilize the Ctrl plus Z shortcut for undoing actions efficiently. If your spreadsheet still feels slow, consider reducing the number of add-ons you use. Revisit your charts and graphs, and simplify them if possible. Lastly, periodically review and update your spreadsheet organization to enhance performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.